friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to send order out for delivery messages to your customers. If you are running a Shopify website and you have integrated your WhatsApp API interact with your Shopify store, then how to create a campaign which will automatically send messages to your customer that their order is out for delivery. As you can see, I am into my interact, and here in the left side we are going to click on the campaigns, and here we are going to click on create a new campaign, right? So I have selected the sample of our order out for delivery, and here everything is already predefined. You need not to mention anything, right? Everything is already defined. You just need to go live, and automatically your particular template have been selected over there, and automatically variable values are set over there, because Shopify have made it very much easier with interact, right? You need not to do anything. You just need to create a campaign, and here everything is done correctly, right? And here also in the audience section, the particular triggering event is rightly selected, order out for delivery. I hope you have already integrated your Shopify store with your website, and then if you purchase subscription, then each and everything gets automatically filled. So we have created this campaign, so whenever a customer orders for something, then automatically when their particular order is out for delivery, they will receive a message on their WhatsApp telling them that their order is out for delivery. If you have not created your account on Interact, then I have mentioned the Interact sign up link in video description. Just visit that link, create an Interact account. You will also receive some bonus credits in your Interact account that you can utilize for sending WhatsApp marketing messages to your customers. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.